viewers, welcome to today's episode of DIY Day. Today I'll be explaining step-by-step procedure to make a Dreamcatcher. I have been doing this for so many years now and I absolutely love them. They are vibrant and beautiful and they are an excellent home decor. Let's start with the materials required. First you need a yarn. Today I have taken a multicolor yarn for the outer ring and yellow color for the inner loop. Then you need a pair of scissors, beads or some crystals and then some colored feathers. You also need a metal ring or wire ring like this. If you don't have a metal ring, you can use the embroidery hoop or you can just use the cardboard cut into circle. The first step is to wrap the yarn around the ring. Start with a double knot and just start spinning the yarn around the ring. Once you reach the end, secure it with a knot. Now the outer ring is ready. The next step is to make an inner web. For this, all you need to do is the loop. Divide your circle into a hexagon or octagon, or for more detailed look, you can divide your circle to more parts and make a loop. Once you reach the end, start making loops connecting the centers of our first loop. Continue this till you reach the center. Once you reach the center, you can just pull the thread to tighten the web. Look for any uneven loops and correct it. Now you can add any ornaments like beads or crystals, or you can just make a knot and secure the end. That's all, guys. This is how it looks once you've finished the inner web. I have already made another one with a smaller size. Now I'm gonna attach it with a bigger one. Now add feathers to the thread and add them to the ring. That's all guys, now your dream catcher is ready. This is my final output, hope you like it.